maybe it's Maybelline.
Sweet illusions and fake contusions, but why?
For Daddy. I told everyone at school and everyone in town that my daddy beat me up. Broken arm, too. Wink, wink. So now he can hold his head up high as the guy who's still strong enough to beat up his own son.
Oh, Junior, what have you done?
Donna, we need a phone with large buttons. Must be that mischievous neighbor boy. I'll get it.
Cleveland Brown,
In my youth.
we got a report that you beat up your son.
Yep, he kicked my ass.
Say what, son?
You're under arrest for child abuse.
The hell I am!